Hey guys, this is a quick unboxing video for some LAX ammo that I bought online. I wanted to do a review of it. This is serving as the unboxing. I ordered 3 different kinds. It shipped very quick. I think it shipped here in less than 3 or 4 days. And it came in very nicely boxed. It came UPS ground, as you can see. Here, I wanted to show you how the ammo arrived. They did a very good job of boxing it up. This is the 9mm. And what I ordered came in little ammo boxes itself. So this is 500 rounds of reloaded 9mm. The ammo boxes aren't anything too fancy, but it can still be useful. You can see it's got a little lever here, and inside of the box it's more paper, and it's really stuffed in here. And here's the 9mm reloads. The reviews I've read is it's not loaded very hot, but the brass is normally clean and good, and this box of 500 looks good. So that's how it came boxed in the little cardboard and packaged up very nicely. They left it on my door. I also ordered 250 rounds, 44 special, and 44 mag. And it came boxed the exact same way. This was also taped around here on all of the boxes. Let's take a look at the 44 special. And this is factory new, you may have noticed. So it looks very good. And I've read the same thing on the 44 mag, that it's very light loads. And this is special. But you can see it looks very good. And let's take a look at the 44 mag while we're doing the unboxing video here. Oh, we got a couple loose ones out the top here. I have not been in here. Oh, I guess they were able to fall down in that hole during the shipping process. Here's the 44 Magnum, 250 rounds. It's in here loose. And of course we'll be shooting this and testing it. I've heard that these are not loaded too hot either. So let's look at a 44 special versus a 44 mag. I'm sure you've seen this before. The Magnum is a little longer. But that's it. That's the unboxing. I like the little ammo cans. It really doesn't cost extra. So it's laxammo.com. We'll see how they shoot, see if we have any problems. One other thing I noticed on the unboxing, the 9mm box, it had 500 rounds in it. It is a wider box than the 244 special and mag boxes that only had 250 rounds in it. You can see this one has a different latch. The latch on the little 250 round box is definitely cheaper. It's all plastic. That's not a big deal. And I just looked through some of the reloaded ammo. I don't know if you can see this. It's going to be hard to read. The brass is a couple different brands that I've noticed so far. There's a FC brass. There's IMT brass. There's Spear brass. Not all of the primers are the same color, which is no concern, but I think on the website it says that their reloads could be different brands of brass and primers. It all has the same bullet in the end, which is no concern. So that's it for the unboxing. Take care. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that unboxing video. We're out here on the range. We're going to shoot some of the LAX ammunition and see how it does. We've got some 9mm that was reloaded. Of course, we got 44 Special that was new and some 44 Magnum that was new. We're going to be shooting the 9mm with the Glock 19. You've seen this in many videos. And we're going to use the Ruger Red Hawk 44 Magnum to shoot the 44 Special and 44 Magnum. So we're going to step over to the range, try it out, see how the ammo does. I think it's going to be just fine. We'll see if we can hit some steel, maybe some other things. So, hello, we've stepped over to the range. We're going to try out some of the LAX ammo 9mm first. It was 115 grains if you remember from the box. We're going to see how it does on some of these steel targets and maybe on this milk jug of water. So let's aim down range and see how the LAX ammo performs. The ammo performed well, my shooting, not so much. Zero problems with the LAX ammo with the 9mm. I'm very happy with it. So we are now hot. So let's give it a try with the 44 Magnum and see what happens. Wow, the 44 Magnum round took that silhouette right off the stand. I was not expecting that. So I'm very happy with the LAX ammo. The 44 Magnum's pretty hot. It didn't kick very bad, so I had thought that it was rather light, but it really hit my do-all target hard there. So I'm very good with the LAX ammo. Well guys, that is it. I'm very happy with the LAX ammo. I just need to work on my shooting, as you can tell. I haven't shot much, it's been too hot. But LAX ammo is good, it's a good price, and it all seems to function well in the revolver and in the Glock 19. So very happy with the LAX ammo, no complaints at all. So until next time, have a good one, stay cool.